Hi guys, so today I will show you all my favorite red lipsticks from the brand Lakme. So the first one is Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade Red Velvet. Then we have another shade Red Coat from the same lipstick range. After that we have Weightless Matte Mousse Lipstick in the shade Rouge Satin, which is very comfortable on lips. And then we have Lakme Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Fire Starter Red, which is absolutely blood red shade. Then we have another shade Rhythmic Red from the same lipstick range. After that we have Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Driven Red. Then we have Matte Revolution Lip Color in the shade Bombshell Red. After that we have 3D Matte Lip Color in the shade Red Carnival. And lastly we have Lakme Lip Paint in the shade Statement Red. Thanks for watching.